and you didn't seem to notice.
I'm sorry, I thought the welfare of my daughter seemed a little more important than bok choy and beer.
Maybe it was about a little bit more than that, Carly. Maybe it was because Jason and I were celebrating something that had absolutely nothing to do with you. We asked you to respect our relationship.
My daughter could be missing, okay? That's really important, Sam.
Really, have you seen Jax?
No.
No. Has he called you or threatened you in any way?
No.
How do you even know that he's back?
You know what? I don't have to explain anything to you, and I didn't have to explain to Jason because he believes me.
But why do you have to call Jason? Can't you call somebody else? Wait a minute. Sorry, no, you can't do that because that would take consideration, and you don't have that. You barge in whenever you feel like it.
I didn't force Jason to leave with me.
He can't say no to you, Carly.
You can't stand that.
Oh, no. This had nothing to do with him choosing you over me. You used Jake to get him to go with you. You had the gall to guilt him about his dead son.
No.
To get him to go with
Jason
you.
loves Jocelyn.
What about the boundaries we set, Carly? As adults.
Boundaries? My daughter could be missing. I think that trumps your boundaries, Sam.
Do you have any idea what it did to Jason to think that there's a possibility that a child could have been kidnapped right after losing Jake? Are you even sure that Jocelyn isn't at home, sound asleep in bed right now? Did you even go home before you went crying to Jason? Like you went crying to Sonny because you were afraid to lose that custody suit. Look what that did. Look at what you're doing now.
I didn't go to Sonny, and I cannot be held responsible for what he does.
Oh, no, of course not. Carly could never be held responsible. You use other people's pain to get what you want. You've been doing it for years. And now Jason is hurt again. You're blaming me for this? You are damn right I'm blaming you.
Sam, I didn't cause the accident. I prayed with everything I have that Jason's gonna be okay. But Jocelyn could be missing right now.
Could be. Might be. Why don't you admit that this little crisis of yours was your way to stake some sort of a claim into Jason because you feel like you're losing ground with him? This isn't about you, Carly. You always think it's about you.
I don't
No
expect you to
exceptions.
understand. You have no idea what it's like to lose a kid. So much for acting like an adult, huh?
My wrist may be broken, but if you hit me again, I will rip you apart. Do you even get that this has nothing to do with you or your kids? That Jason could be seriously injured right now?
I know more about Jason being injured than you will ever understand.
Excuse me, but that dubious honor falls to me. You want to compare losses?
I'm sorry.